bitch right now. She wanna act like a local with me now. I be with the gang, yeah, I be with the gang, Full shit, whole lot of fucking in the gang shit. You know that when it be banging, ain't nobody supposed to do the language. He don't want to tell me he lame. I'ma still hit the slide on the truck. I've been around with the boy that I had to leave. People teach just to get you about it.
So I was using a charcoal wipe to cleanse her face, and I got those from Dollar Tree. Check out my Dollar Tree haul. I will have the link below. And I'm just using a Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer mixed with a little bit of the foundation I'm going to use for her, and using that to carve out her eyebrows. And we're going to also drag that concealer down and use it as a base for eyeshadow. Using City Color white eyeshadow stick as part of her base as well, because we're going to be working with super affordable eyeshadows. So when you're working with cheaper eyeshadows, you have to do a little more work. And I just set that base with the white shadow from the Crayon Case matte book palette, and I'm just going to go in with that mauve tone brownish nude color and put that all over her crease. And then I'm just going to go in with one of the 24 matte palettes by Nicka K. And this is the one with the gray shadows in it. And I'm just going to go in with that lighter gray and use that all over her lid. And I love this combination together, y'all. Like, it's just going to give off a great smoky effect y'all going to see later on. And I also did do her hair. This is my friend. She's been supporting me for over a year now. Whoop, whoop. Hooray for real friends, y'all. Hooray for real friends. So she did get her wig installed by me, and I did do this custom color on the unit. I will provide the link below. I provided the wig, color, install, everything, and now I'm just doing her makeup just to show a little gratitude. I did touch her frontal up and give her a style and pin curl her hair as well, and that's why she kind of looks like George Washington. But it's all gonna end up coming out cute. And this was on New Year's Eve. Since this is kind of a half smoky, kind of cut crease type of look, I don't know what to call this look, y'all. It's gonna require a lot of blending and going back and forth between shadows, and like I said, since these are kind of cheap, you have to pat them in and go back in and replace them. And now I'm just gonna take one of those chocolate brown colors out of the Morphe 35O. This is the regular one. So I'm just gonna put that in between the gray and the nude tone brown, and I'm just gonna blend that out. And that's just gonna be like a base for the black to blend into, because if the black had nothing to blend into, it probably wouldn't look as blended as seamless. So it's like 3 shades in the outer crease and a 1 shade on the mobile lid, and it's kind of like a cut crease, y'all. I don't know what to call this, because I kind of did a look like this on my other friend, but hers was the more nudie type look. And I'm just gonna place that link below as well so you can see, because it does look similar, and I did use some similar techniques. And I'm just gonna go in with that black gel eyeliner by Elf Cosmetics, and this look definitely was inspired by her hair, if y'all guys couldn't tell. And if your wing isn't perfect, don't worry about it because we're going to end up smoking this out with some black eyeshadow anyway. And this is just some more of a base. So we're going to kind of do like a smoky liner as well. I'm just going all out. I haven't done like makeup in a while, and this was Creative Control. She let me do me, and I love when clients let me do me because that's when the best results come out. It does take a little longer because I'm really doing the look as I go, but I'm really glad my client appreciated everything. She liked it. And I'm just going to go in with a single black eyeshadow by e.l.f. and use that to set the eyeliner, and I'm going to blend it out so it can kind of have a smoky effect. And I'm also going to pack some black in the outer crease and kind of blend that into the outer crease, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to blend all of those shadows together, and it's going to be nice. And you see how I'm blending the brown back in. You have to go back in and replace shadows when you're doing so in the outer corner, I'm just going to go in with a black shadow and add a little bit at a time and go back in with that same brush that I used to blend in the chocolate brown and kind of use that to blend the outer crease out. And be sure to go back in with the Mobile color, which is that silvery gray color, because you will lose it from all the blending. And I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. And as you can see, looking at the difference between both eyes, you can see the other side is a little more blended, which I love. And I'm just going to add some moisturizer to her skin. And for her primer, I'm going to use a little bit of the Benefit, that really popular Benefit primer. I can't even think of it, but I'll have all the products listed below. And I'm also going to go in with a little bit of Benefit Cosmetics, not Benefit, Bare Minerals Cosmetics primer, and that's the Benefit primer. Y'all know which one that is right there. And I'm just gonna go in with a couple of those so she doesn't get too dry but not too oily, so I like to mix a few. And for sanitation purposes, I just took this plate, and it's kind of like those palettes that the artists be having when they do paintings, but the ghetto version. And I just have her foundation mixed on this plate, her setting powder on his plate, and her baking powder on his plate. And this is just all for sanitation purposes because y'all need to be checking y'all makeup artists. Some of them aren't the most clean. Like I be seeing girls apply mascara straight from the bottle on y'all, and y'all don't even know. What else did they do that I don't like? What else is another one? I'm gonna have to come up with a list of things that I hate that I see other makeup artists do. But another thing that I hate is that they apply like the concealer from the tube directly to their face instead of putting it on something on the back of their hand, like, and they put it right back in, which could cause germs because you don't know what type of skin diseases or infections people may have, and you could cause a breakout like that, and somebody gonna be mad because some girls' skin is their pride. And all I did for foundation was mix the MAC foundation and a Maybelline foundation together to get her shade. And I don't know, y'all. I'm still trying to work on getting lighter people and darker people together. Like I do good on sometimes. I don't know how to explain it, but in the end everything came out great. But during the process, my friend was kind of looking like she was about to be, I don't know, running around snatching souls, like for real. But everything did come out really nice in the end, and all of the pictures, I will have some pictures listed at the end of the video. They are flash from an iPhone 11, so yeah. And to bake her, I use Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And to set the rest of her face, I use the pressed powder by LA Colors in the color tan. Y'all, it is definitely time for me to get a new contour palette, a new powder contour palette. Please leave your recommendations below because it is definitely time for me to upgrade the one that I have in my kit. So please let me know what is your favorite powder palettes for contour. And my phone didn't have any more storage space, you guys, so this is the last product that you guys are actually seeing me apply, which is the Morphe Brow Powder Palette. And I will have everything listed below. I use the Gem. I will have everything listed below, y'all. I don't even remember. I was about to try to attempt to tell y'all the blush palette that I use because she does have blush on. But I did use a Becca highlighter palette on her. And for her lips, I used one of the MAC liquid lipsticks as a lip liner, the burgundy one. And I just took a Nicka K, one of those matte lipsticks, lip glosses from out the beauty store, and put that on the center like a pinky nude color, and put like a pinky nude gloss on top that I purchased from out the Dollar Tree. And that was really the whole look. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna try to pump out new content, better videos, more videos, and try to stay up on my stuff because it is 2020 and we trying to win. But I won't give up. So remember to stay unique and live individuality. And thank you so much for watching the video. Deuces.